Good morning, students. Welcome to Maths class. In the last class, we have learnt about the variables, also pattern. In this class, we are going to learn about the algebraic statement and verbal statement. How we are going to form algebraic statement and verbal statement. Before entering into the session, let us recall some of the questions we have learnt in the earlier classes. Also, we can able to frame algebraic statement. Now you see what will be the total cost if the cost of an apple is x. We don't know what is the cost of an apple. It is given to be x and the cost of a banana is rupees 5. So the cost of a banana is given 5. The cost of an apple is x. That is not a number, it is a variable. Now what is the question? What is the total? For total what we will be putting? Yes, we will be adding, isn't it? Therefore, the total cost of the apple and the banana is what? The answer is the cost of the apple is x and the cost of the banana is 5. Now x plus 5 is the total cost of the apple and banana. So for total what symbol we will be putting? We will be putting plus. The next question, how many number of players? How many number of players in Q teams? How many teams? Q teams. If the number of players in one team is 11, this is not 9Q, okay? If the number of players in one team is 11, so how many numbers will be? Number of players will be in Q teams. So what we have to do? For one team is given and for many teams it is asked, what we have to do? We have to multiply, isn't it? One is given and many is asked means we have to multiply. Therefore we can write 11 into Q, isn't it? So for Q teams how many members will be there? 11 into Q. Otherwise we can write 11Q, that is 11 into Q. In between 11 and Q there will be a multiplication symbol. The next question is the third question. What is the age of Sita if she is 3 years elder than Madi? What is the age of Sita if she is 3 years elder? So she is 3 years elder than Madi. For elder, what symbol we will be putting? So she is the first daughter. So for elder, we will have to put plus symbol. If it is given younger, we have to put minus symbol. So now I am taking, we don't know what is the age of Sita, just I am taking, we can take any variable x or y or any alphabet. So now the age of Sita, I am taking just x if she is 3 years elder. Therefore, the age of Sita is x plus 3. So, 3 years she is elder. Therefore, x plus 3. I have taken an alphabet. You can take any alphabet. Therefore, x plus 3 is the age of Sita. The next question. Radha is x years of age now. Radha is x years of age now. 4 years ago. 4 years ago her age was. So before 4 years what is the age of Radha? So what is the answer? X minus 4. Because 4 years ago. 4 years means before 4 years, what is the age? Therefore, the age of Radha is x minus 4. Now, we are going to frame algebraic statements. 4 questions we have seen. Now, see here how we are going to frame algebraic statements. See here that I have given two examples. Suppose there are unknown number of people in a bus having unknown number of people. We don't know how many people are there in the bus, say x. So we have taken x number of persons, and if 2 more people get into the bus, there will be dash people in the bus. Listen here. 2 2 more. So more, what symbol we will be putting? Yes, addition, isn't it? Now X persons are there. In a bus there are, we don't know, we have not counted the number of persons. Therefore X plus 2. So for more we will be putting what symbol? Plus 2. Addition we can use sum, total, increased. Okay, so if 2 more people get into the bus, otherwise 2 more persons are increased if the words are given total. So if these words are given, we have to put what? Plus symbol. Therefore there will be X plus 2. First this number we don't know, plus 2. 2 persons are now getting inside the bus. Therefore how many people? X plus 2 peoples are in the bus. The next question you see, that is the next example. When there is a patty of butter. Patty means it is a small pot, okay, of butter which weighs W grams. Okay, so there is a pot of butter and the weight is W grams. If you cut off 100 grams from it, if you cut off 100 grams from it, we have taken how much butter from that 100 grams we have taken, you cut and taken away, you will have now dash grams left. So left, the word you see, left. So we are having W gram. We don't know what is the total weight. It may be 1 kg, like that, anything. But 100 grams we have, you have cut it. So what is the gram left? So W minus 100 gram. Therefore W minus this is the total gram weight of the butter, and we have cut it 100 grams. So minus 100. Now the remaining will be in the pot. Okay, so in this way we have to frame the algebraic statement. For difference, what we will be, for subtract we will be using, what are the letters? Less than, minus, difference, subtract, diminished, left, reduced, take away. For multiplication we will be using product, multiply, twice, thrice, like that. Okay, so in this way, if the words are given, we are going to frame the algebraic statements. So here the algebraic statements are given, we are going to write it in verbal statement. So this algebraic statement we are going to write it in words. So words are given, we have written in algebraic statement, isn't it? Now you see m plus 14, m plus 14. Here you can write it in your own words. You see, you can write m is added to 14, like that we can write. Otherwise we can write 14 more than m. 14 more than m. If we can write 4 more than m, or m is added to 14. So two types we can write. Next you see x minus 6, x minus 6. Here we can write take away 6 from x. Take away, we are taking 6 from x. So take away 6 from x. Otherwise we can write x is reduced. X is reduced, since minus, isn't it? So reduced by 6. X is reduced by 6. Or you can write take away 6 from x. Okay. Next you see 3y or 3 into y. If there is no symbol in between a number and the variable, that we have to assume that there is a multiplication symbol in max. Therefore 3y or 3 into y. So what is the answer? The product of multiplication, isn't it? 3 multiplied 3 and y are multiplied. Otherwise we can write product of 3 and y. What we can write? Product of 3 and y. The next you see 5 divided by z, or it's the same statement can be written by 5, and this line is for division. 5 divided by z. Therefore how we can write? 5 divided by z. Okay. Next you see 2p minus 5. So 2 into p. So I told you, if there is no symbol in between this, we have to assume that there is a multiplication symbol. Therefore 2 into p minus 5. So how we can write? Otherwise we can write 5 less than 2 times p. Otherwise take away 5 from 2p. Take away, we are taking out. Therefore we can write take away, otherwise 5 less 2 times p. 5 less 2 times p. Next we are going to convert verbal statement to algebraic statement. The verbal statement is given and we are going to write it in the algebraic statement. So the first question you see, x is increased by 12. What do you mean by increased? Increased mean what symbol? I told a plus, isn't it? So something we are going to add it, isn't it? So x plus 21. Okay, next you see 7 is taken away from a. I told the word no, taken away. 7 is taken away from a. From where we have to take? From a. So from a, this a only we have to write first. Okay, so don't write 7. So first from a. From where we have to take? From a. So a, what we have to take? 7. So taken away means what symbol? Minus. So a minus 7. So this is 7 is taken away from a. The next question you see, twice p. Twice p. Twice means 2 times. Okay. Thrice means 3 times. Okay ma. So 2 times p. That is, you can write 2 into p. Otherwise you can write 2p. Okay. Next you see 10 divided by m. Divided. So we can write 10 divided m, or you can write so, or 10 by m. Okay. Next you see the product. What do you mean by product? Yes, multiplication. The product of 7 and y. So 7 into y. First the product of 7 into y divided by 2. 7 into y divided by 2. Or you can write 7y by 2. 7y by 2. So 2 methods you can write, but your answer must be correct. Exercise 2.2. Express the following verbal statement to algebraic statement. So now only we learned verbal statement, algebraic statement. This tabular column you write it in the classwork note. First you see t is added to 100. So it is very easy, isn't it? So t is added, t plus 100 added. So t plus 100. Next you see 4 times q. 4 times, that is multiplication. 4 into q, or you can write that is equal to 4q. Both the answers are correct. You see third question, 8 reduced by y. The reduced word, what is reduced? Yes, subtraction. So 8 reduced by y. So 8 minus y. 8 reduced by y. Next, 56 added to 2 times x. So 2 times x means 2 into x, and here 56. So 56 added to 2 times x. 2 times 2 into x, or you can write 56 plus 2x, or you can write 2x plus 56. For addition, the order, if you are changing the order, the answer won't change. So we can write 2x plus 56. That is also correct. Next you see 4 less to 9 times of y. 4 less to 9 times. 9 times of y is what? 9 into y, isn't it? So 4 is less here. So 4 is less. So 9y first we have to write minus 4. So 4 is less to 9 times y. 4 is less to 9 times y. So we are writing 9y first minus 4. Next, express the following algebraic statement to verbal statement. Now we are going to write algebraic statement to verbal statement. First you see x divided 3. X divided 3. So how we will be writing x divided by 3, isn't it? X divided by 3. The next one you see 5 times n minus 2, 5 into n. So if there is no symbol, we have to assume there is a multiplication symbol. Therefore 5n minus 2. 5n minus 12. 5n minus 12. So how we are going to write? You see 12 less to 5 times n, isn't it? So 12 less to 5 times n. Next question, 11 plus 10x. So 10 into x, here multiplication. So how we can write? 11 added to 10 into x, that is 10 times x. 11 added to 10 times x. Next you see 70 years. So here what I told, in between there is a multiplication symbol. Therefore product of 70 and yes. Product of 70 and yes. In exercise 2.1, we are going to see the fill in the blanks. So you can write it. Fill in the blanks. The letters A, B, C, etc. X, Y, Z are used to represent what? Variables. Variables. The next question. A quantity that takes dash values is called a variable. So I told it can take different values. Different values is called a variable. If there are 5 students in a bench, then the number of students in n benches is 5 cross n. Here n is a variable. Here n is a variable. Next you see true or false. See, the length of part B in the pencil shown is A minus 6. See here, the full pencil length is 6 centimeter, and here you see the A length is a centimeter, small a centimeter. Now the length of B. So here how to write? Full length is 6 centimeter and small, that capital A is small a centimeter. So the B pencil length will be, it is not A minus 6, it is full length is 6. Therefore it is 6 minus A, it is 6 minus A, but here given A minus 6. Therefore the answer is false. The answer is false. Now if the cost of an apple is x and the cost of a banana is rupees 5, then the total cost of fruit is rupees x plus 5. Yes, x is the cost of apple, cost of banana is 5. Therefore the fruit cost is x plus 5. That is true. Now you see, if there are 11 players in a team, then there will be 11 plus Q players in Q teams. So we won't add 11 players in a team. Then in Q teams, 11 into Q. How many members will be there? 11 multiplied by Q. But there is given 11 plus Q. Therefore the answer is false. So in exercise 2.2, fill in the blanks. The algebraic statement of f decreased by 5 is. Algebraic statement of f decreased by 5. How we will be writing? F minus 5. F minus 5. The algebraic statement of s divided by 5 is. So here s divided by 5. S divided by 5. The verbal statement of 2m minus 10 is dash. So here you see 10 less to 2 times m. Okay, next, if A's age is n years now, Now the age is n. Okay. 7 years ago, A's age was dash. So 7 years ago. So therefore now the age is n. Before 7 years, what will be the age? N minus 7.